A lot of women ask me this question: how can I make body glow oil for aging skin? Then I'm here to answer your question today. I'm here to give you that perfect herbal and oil mix that you can infuse to actually make a perfect and a lovely glow body oil for your skin. So watch this video to the end and don't go anywhere. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is 8BM Organic Beauty. So guys, here I am again. So today I want to give solution to questions I've been getting lately. Like, lot of women, especially the women in their 40s, 50s, have been sending me messages on how they can moisturize their skin, on how they can glow their skin, you know, on how they can have a healthy skin. And I'm here today to address such question. I'm here today to actually give you solution. So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos, like my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I'm actually making an explanatory video, but you're gonna understand it 100%. But before we go into the talk of the day, I want to plead with you guys that you should please, whenever you're watching any of my video from my YouTube channel, please endeavor to at least watch the adverts being displayed on my video to some extent, please. It's not really easy, you know, buying a whole lot of stuff, especially for those of you that are in organic skincare formulation line. You know, guys, you know how much they sell these skin lightening powders, you know how much they sell these organic skin ingredients. Like, seriously, it's a whole lot of money. I'm pleading with you guys, at least in your own little way, whenever you're watching any of my video, kindly view the adverts being displayed on those videos, because that is where I can earn little money to, you know, to move on with all my DIYs, to move on with all my videos, everything I use in making videos for you guys. So the name for this oil is body infused glow oil for all skin types. Yeah, this oil is good for aging women. This oil is good for dry skin. This oil is good for normal skin. This oil can be applied on the face, on the body, because I carefully selected out the herbs and the oil that will form this glow oil. First thing you have to consider before making a body glow oil number one, you have to carefully select your herbs. Now, when you're selecting your herbs, you select your herbs basically for the function you want that herbs to perform on your skin, or you select your herbs basically to perform a certain function that you want for your skin. That's number one. Number two, you have to carefully select the oils that you will use to infuse the herbs. This particular body infused glow oil we want to talk about today, the number one herbs that we will be using is our rosemary herb. Yes, I carefully selected those herbs for you guys so that in case you want to try out this body glow oil, you will know the particular herbs to use. So guys, the number one herbs on my list for you to make this body glow oil is rosemary herb. Yeah, you're gonna be needing rosemary herb, 5 grams of rosemary herbs. Rosemary herbs is a strong antioxidant that is very good for aging skin. It's also good for repairing damaged skin. It protects the skin from loosening and sagging, thereby, you know, firming the skin. It puts stoppage to a premature aging skin. That is, if your skin is beginning to turn 50 years old while you are still at your 35 years old, rosemary herbs can help you a whole lot to revive that skin, to give you a youthful look. Rosemary oil also helps your under eye bag. It helps take off those under eye bag. So that is one good thing about rosemary herbs. So rosemary is our number one on the list. Then our number two on our list today is our green tea herbs. Now, green tea herbs is a great antioxidant. If you check my other videos in my channel, you will see that whenever I'm making anti-aging lotion, I use green tea a whole lot because of the benefits that are attached to green tea. It contains minerals, it contains vitamins, and it can reduce the UV damage to the skin. Green tea also contains detoxifying properties in it, and green tea contains 2 antioxidant caffeine that combats skin aging in it. Okay guys, so the number 3rd herbs on my list is ginseng. I know the Koreans and the Japanese, they use ginseng a whole lot. It is actually one of the fantastic anti-aging herbs. So the phytochemicals presented in ginseng helps skin aging a whole lot. Like seriously, it helps detoxify the skin a whole lot. And it also helps and fight your skin from free radicals damage caused by sun exposure. So guys, the number 4 on my list is our turmeric. Turmeric, you know, everybody uses turmeric. Like turmeric is one holy grail spices that you cannot do without, even in your black soap. Turmeric makes you look younger than your age because turmeric is one magical herb that helps fight aging skin. You know, everybody uses turmeric. The compound found in turmeric has an amazing age-defying properties, and these compounds found in turmeric fight free radical damages and curb inflammatories on your skin. Even when you drink turmeric, you're gonna glow from the inside. You're gonna have this glow. You're gonna have this glow that will gleam out from the inside. So turmeric is very, very good. It clears rashes, it clears acne, it evens out your skin tone, it fights free radicals damages caused by sun rays, excess sun rays. So the last but not the least on my herbal list that we will be using to make our glow oil is our hibiscus herbs. Like seriously, you guys, you know, I don't do without this herbs. In most of my videos on my channel, I've been using those herbs. I still drop videos concerning those herbs a whole lot on this channel. Hibiscus herbs is a Botox. Hibiscus herbs is very rich in vitamin C and it promotes collagen production. It's very, very good for face and body. It firms your skin, tightens your skin, work on the elasticity of your skin for a firm, younger looking skin. So when I say hibiscus herbs is a Botox, it is really an anti-aging Botox herbs richly packed in collagen, and of which we all know collagen is highly needed in our body. So the 5 herbs I just mentioned now will be the herbs that we will be using to make this body glow oil. So next we'll be going into the oils that we will be selecting to infuse the herbs that we just mentioned now. So the number 1 and my favorite oil I like using on my skin is my jojoba oil. Like seriously, I've never seen any oil I can compare with jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is moisturizing. It does not clog the pores, it clears spots, it evens out your skin tone. Jojoba oil helps soothe sunburns. It helps promote collagen production level on your skin. It also speeds up wound healing and fades scars. It fades spots like I mentioned before. So we will be using our jojoba oil. So for our jojoba oil, we will be using 150 ml of our jojoba oil. Then for all the herbs I've mentioned, we will be using 5 grams each of our herbs. The next oil that we will be using is our grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is highly packed with vitamin C, vitamin E. It helps repair damaged skin. And grapeseed oil is very good for skin brightening. That is, it evens out your skin tone while fighting those radicals damaged that has been caused on your skin by excess sun rays, it also evens out your skin tone. And the third oil on my list that we will be using today is our sunflower oil. I don't do without this oil. Almost in all my production I use sunflower oil a lot, but please endeavor to get organic oils. This oil I'm mentioning, whenever you want to make use of them, make sure they are all organic. They are 100% organic oil. Sunflower oil is a great source of vitamin E, rich in nutrients and antioxidants, and is very effective for combating skin issues like acne, skin inflammatory, and redness of the skin. So even if you're having redness of the skin, most times some people have this redness here, you can just dab every night, or in the morning you just dab with your sunflower oil, and it also retains moisture to the skin. That's why I said I like formulating my lotions with sunflower oil. It retains moisture to the skin. And like, seriously guys, the recipe for the body oil that I'm dropping right now has to contain moisturizing oils, has to contain oils that can retain moisture to the skin. Because if we don't use oils that retain moisture to the skin, then this glow oil cannot be fit for dry skins. And beside whether dry skin or no dry skin, we all need oils to our skin. We all need oil on our skin. Last but not the least, oils that we will be adding to this recipe today is our olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, or rather let's say organic olive oil. Like we all know, olive oil moisturizes the skin a whole lot. Olive oil has one of the highest moisturizing properties in it. It contains vitamin E and it retains moisture on the skin. And why I'm adding olive oil to this recipe is because most people have dry skin. Fine, on most people's skin, olive oil might not go well for them. Now, depending on the kind of skin you have when you want to make this oil, if you're making this oil and you know you are the oily skin type, you can do away with olive oil. You can add in your almond oil. You can replace your olive oil with your almond oil. But if you know you're the type with dry skin, I advise you adding olive oil into your mixture. Now I'll be giving you the measurements for this recipe. For your green tea, you need 5 grams of your green tea herbs. You need 5 grams of your hibiscus herbs. You need 5 grams of your rosemary herbs. You need 5 grams of your ginseng herbs. Then you need 1 gram of your turmeric powder. If you had more than 1 gram of your turmeric powder, then be rest assured that this oil is gonna stain your clothes. This oil is gonna stain your hands. Then for our oils, you need 150 ml of your jojoba oil. You need 100 ml of your sunflower oil. You need 100 ml of your grapeseed oil. You need 50 ml of your olive oil. I'll be dropping the link to where you can order for these oils and herbs in the description box also. After you've added in your herbs, your oil, next thing you have to sort out is the essential oil that you will add to this glow body oil. And the essential oil I will advise you to use is either lavender essential oils or rose essential oil. Lavender essential oil is good for soothing. Yeah, it suits the skin, it calms the skin. It's also very good for fighting skin impediment. So you can also use your rose essential oil. Rose, like we all know, rose is very good for anti-aging. Like seriously, rose is very good for soothing and calming of the face. In case you're having redness of the face, when you use your rose water, your rose herbs, they are very good, very good for sunburn. Yes, they soothe the skin, they calm the skin. So for our essential oil, the measurements needed is 5 ml. 5 ml. Please don't pour in all your essential oils. You don't use essential oil alone on your skin. It has to be diluted with all these oils I have mentioned initially. that is your carrier oils. You don't apply essential oil on your skin. So after you've gotten the herbs and you've gotten the oil, the next thing you need is a bottle jar. A bottle jar cup with a tight lid that you can cover. There are so many ways you can infuse this oil. If you want to make it faster, you can actually infuse with your crock pots. And this is the way you can infuse with your crock pots. Add in all your herbs and your oils into your jar bottle, tight the jar, then pour water in your crock pot and place that jar into the crock pot. Please, the water you will add in your crock pot shouldn't be much, just little water in your crock pot, and place the bottle into the crock pot and cover. So you can place your crock pot on low or you place it on warm and leave it till the next day. I like leaving it for like 24 hours, but I place it on warm or I place it on low, then leave the crock pot on for 24 hours. I just leave it on and go to bed. Before the next morning when you come back, the whole oil would have infused. So if you don't have a crock pot, you can equally pour your herbs, your oil into your jar, tight it, make it tight, keep somewhere and let it infuse for 1 month. After 1 month, your oil, you're good to go with your oil. It would have infused properly. But whenever you see that the sunlight is out, you can equally carry the jar and place it under the sun, because sunlight also helps the infusion process faster. After your oil might have infused, you just sieve out the oil and you're good to go. You sieve out the oil, you start applying. This oil is good for face and body, but if olive oil is added in the oil, then don't apply on the face. But if you did not add in olive oil, probably you substituted the olive oil for almond oil, wow, you're good to go. You can apply on the face anytime. So guys, that is how you can actually infuse your glow body oil. Like I said, this body oil is good for aging skin, is good for young skin, is good for dark skin, is good for light skin. Any skin color can use this oil. This oil will give your skin that firmness. It will help your skin, it will help slow down aging skin. Some people will come and they'll say, why do I even need oil at the first place? My advice is that as long as you're applying lightening skincare products, please endeavor to apply anti-aging oils, body glow oils on your skin, so that your skin will not be damaged entirely. Because if you're applying lightening skincare product, probably you're applying a lightening skincare product that contains harsh chemicals. At least give that product break 3 times in a week. Yes, 3 times in a week. You can apply your lightening lotion 4 times in a week. Then you apply your body glow oil 3 times in a week. The body glow oil helps repair your skin. It helps balancing your skin. It helps fight off the radicals damage that might be caused by the harsh chemical products you're using. So you see, whenever you're doing skin lightening or skin whitening, you have to do it wisely. I always say this in all my videos. So guys, that is all for today. I would like to see you coming back to my channel. Tell me how good this oil works for you. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. If you want to get all the products you can use to make this oil, kindly check in my description box below. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below, because like seriously, I'll be uploading a whole lot of videos this week. Thank you guys. Bye.